The transportation sector is the largest source of emissions for greenhouse gases. It's been really exciting in recent years to be working on fleet electrification, whether that is school buses, public transport, or private fleets. When the schools are looking at the larger ecosystem, education first, but then how they're getting students to school and the impact of school activity on the environment, they need to be thinking about fleet electrification. And it's a really good time to do it. There are two top challenges. The first is budget, and the second is it's change, and it's complex change. I mean, we know across the board, schools need more funding. And when it comes to transportation, they don't have that ability to spend more. And so at Enel X, we have a turnkey offering to try to help schools not need to make an upfront purchase of an electric bus. We make that purchase, keep that capital and asset on our books, and give the use of that bus and the charging infrastructure to the school for a fixed annual fee. The second aspect of change, that's the toughest part. Making the decision for a school to shift to electric buses is not an easy one. And we really partner with schools to try to help them navigate that and go forward if it's going to find a good plan for them to make that transition. For any schools thinking about this is a great time to have an exploratory conversation. There's good support for doing this now, and it is not easy to change, but we know students and families are thinking about what is ahead in their environment. And I think it's also really good leadership for schools, in addition to everything they're doing with educating kids, to also be showing to students leadership on sustainability objectives.